In this video, I will walk you through the precise steps needed to evaluate your form layouts across simulated mobile screen environments using Typeform. Ensuring that your platform looks professional and functions perfectly on smaller screens is absolutely essential for a great user experience. To get started, you will first need to navigate to your main workspace and select the specific form you want to review. Once the form is open, take a moment to ensure you are currently on the Create tab. You can find this option in the main menu panel along the top header bar, which loads your primary form builder interface. After your workspace is ready, look toward the upper right corner of the designer canvas. Right next to the black Publish button, you will see a preview button represented by a small eye icon. Simply click on that icon to enter the preview mode. Now that you are in the preview workspace, you will notice the device toggle orientation utility situated at the top center of the screen. To see how your design holds up on a handheld device, click on the mobile icon, which looks like a smartphone silhouette. This action will instantly enforce the simulated mobile viewing profile. Upon clicking it, the form preview matrix rescales into a vertical, high aspect ratio viewport. This specific view is incredibly helpful because it allows you to check for any potential text truncation, unexpected image cropping, or the vertical button stack distributions on various handheld screens. It provides you with a clear perspective on how your audience will interact with each element while they are on the go. By following these steps, you can make sure your layout is polished and fully optimized for every single visitor who accesses your form from their phone. This simple check guarantees that your content remains readable and your buttons are always easy to click.